How to buy skins on Valorant. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to Valorant, or let's just say a Riot support, because you need to log into your account in order for you to buy a skin or ask or submit a request here. So go to any web browser and then type Riot Game Support, and it will take you directly to this. So what you're going to do is to tap this submit a ticket. So don't forget to log in your account first before doing this. So here under submit a request, you have to tap this arrow facing down and click or select in-game question issue, in-game content refund. Okay, so after that, it will take you directly to another page. But like what I've mentioned earlier, you must be logged in order for you to submit the request. So once done, you can now go directly to this. Choose a request type. It's the same thing. In-game question, issue, and in-game content refund. For subject, you can be very specific here, like I want to purchase or buy a skin, but I don't have enough points, or whatever your concern here. But your main point is you want to purchase or buy a skin. So for inquiry, it's the same thing. Okay, in-game content question, issue, or refund. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply select this, I'm having an issue. But if you want to be very specific, like if you want to tell directly your concern, you can tap other and go to description. Now you can type, I want to buy, that is buy, sorry for that. I want to buy the skin. Okay, you can, include the name of the skin here. But unfortunately, I don't have enough points, or I have a problem with this and that. So you must be very specific with your concern here. You can even add a file, drop a file as a proof that you want to buy the skin, but you are having trouble buying the skin. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do is to click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and tell you the instruction on how to buy your skin here in Valorant. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.